So here we are going to demonstrate about 360-degree steering mechanism, and here we have used link mechanism at the front end. So here you can see the handle which will be moving in a linear motion. So here we have used an 4-bar link mechanism, and at the back end we have used DC motors. So these are the wiper motors which are going to rotate the sprocket, chain and sprocket, and to connect to the wheels we have placed an MS bright shaft rod using UCP 205 bearings. And coming to the entire frame, this entire frame is made up of mild steel. And coming to the power supply terminals, here we have used an lead acid batteries which are 12 volts 26 amps. So two batteries are connected in series, so that we will be giving input power supply feeding to the permanent magnet DC motors which are present at the wheels. So we have placed two PM DC motors at back diagonal to each other. So on the other end we have not used any motor. So one end we have used an permanent magnet DC motor with chain and sprocket mechanism at the back wheel. So these backside motors are being used to rotate the direction with the help of DP-DT switches. So here you can see the DP-DT switches. This is called dual pole dual Thor switches, which is used to rotate the motor clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. And so here you can see the other end of the motor, so which are placed diagonal to each other. So the power supply here we are going to get is an solar panel. So we have used an renewable sources, which is an semiconducting material, consists of an photovoltaic diode. When these semiconductor diodes are being reflected with the sunlight, the power generation will be stored into the battery using solar charge circuit. So these charge circuits are going to give input power supply feeding to the battery. So when we give an acceleration as an input, which consists of an Hall effect sensors, are going to give input feeding to the controllers, which is present over here. So here you will be having an MOSFET drivers which will be giving triggering pulse to the motor. So as we increase the acceleration, the voltage will be distributed to the motors. So for the each motor we will be giving different controller. So we will be having two accelerators. So let us see the demonstration. We will turn on the input pins. So when we rotate the wheels, one clockwise, another one is an anti-clockwise direction. So here you can see the setup is moving clockwise. So this is how we can see. ఒకదానికి ఇంకొకదానికి ఇయకు steering. Now rotate. Wait at wait, కాలు